Brigit and Empower both give you early access to cash before payday, but they don't work the same way behind the scenes. Brigit focuses on small cash advances tied to your bank account health, while Empower combines cash advances with budgeting and spending tools inside one app. That difference affects how often you qualify and how the app fits into your daily money setup. By the end, you'll know how each app decides eligibility, how cash advances actually get delivered, and which one makes more sense depending on whether you want a simple advance tool or a broader money management app. Brigit is built around short-term cash advances. It connects to your bank account and analyzes your income deposits and spending patterns. If your account shows stable activity, it can offer small advances before your paycheck arrives. The focus is speed and simplicity, with a narrow set of features centered on cash access. Empower works as a broader financial app. It includes cash advances, but also adds budgeting tools and spending tracking features. Instead of only helping with short-term cash gaps, it is designed to help you manage your overall money flow inside one system. Now, break down how approval works. Brigit focuses heavily on your bank activity. Regular deposits and consistent income patterns increase the chance of getting an advance. Empower also looks at income consistency, but it places more weight on how you use the app and how your financial activity fits into its system over time. Now talk about how the cash advance process works. Brigit is straightforward. You connect your bank account, check eligibility, and request an advance if available. The system is designed to feel quick and predictable. Empower adds more steps around your financial dashboard. You still request cash advances, but you also interact with budgeting tools and spending insights that sit alongside the advance feature. Now the key difference. Brigit is focused on fast, simple cash advances based on your income timing. Empower is focused on combining cash advances with ongoing budgeting and money tracking tools. So the decision depends on how you want to use the app. If you only want quick access to small cash advances without extra features, Brigit is more direct. If you want cash advances plus budgeting and spending insights in one app, Empower gives you more tools. Here's the simple breakdown. Brigit is narrow and focused on advances. Empower is broader and includes financial management tools alongside advances. Both rely on your income data, but they serve different needs. Do this next. Think about whether you want a single-purpose cash advance app or a budgeting app that also includes advances. Then compare how often you would actually use extra financial tools. If you want simple cash access, Brigit fits better. If you want budgeting support plus cash advances, Empower is the stronger choice.